Yo, you wanna see something cool? No? Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Another one.
Ayun na. Kunting here at saka ito. Pwede pa sipain.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
Ang ganda naman. Dahil wala kaming magawa ngayong tag-ulan, binabagyo na naman ang Pilipinas. Paglinis tayo ng CBT.
Yeah, boy.
Injector cleaner. Total body cleaning. Oh, goods na yan mga chong, kakabit lang.
Oh my God! Wow!
Hala mo, baliw, ikaw lang may ganyan na. Oh, aesthetics. Wala na ring alog yan. Oh, ito na yun, may bagong voltmeter din yan, tsaka cellphone holder, boy. CVT cleaning pa, plus throttle body at tsaka injector. All goods.
Nice.
Yeah, that was pretty cool, I guess.